Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable the Samsung Galaxy S23 bypass battery charging feature, which is also known as pause USB power delivery on other Samsung devices. Now, I will be doing this on my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, which right now is running One UI 5.0 based on Android 13. Now, do note that this feature might not work on your device, but it is supposedly working on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series, the A73s, and a bunch of other Samsung devices which have power delivery charging. So I think the minimum basic requirement is for your device to have 25-watt wired power delivery PPS charging or above. So minimum 25-watt wired charging is needed. And before you ask me, hey Manchi, what is this feature of pause USB power delivery or bypassing the battery charging? Well, this is for the gamers out there who game on their device. Why? Because if you connect your phone to the charger while you're gaming, charging the battery generates heat, which affects the performance of the game. So once you enable this feature of pause USB power delivery, all the power is going directly to the processor. The battery is not being charged, which means that less heat will be generated from the device, which in turn means that the gaming performance of your device will not be reduced or hampered. So it is a pretty awesome feature. And without any further delay, let us see how you can enable this on your supported Samsung Galaxy devices. First thing we need to do is we need to enable game launcher. So for that you will go into settings, then you will go into advanced features, and here and you need to make sure that the toggle of game launcher is enabled. Once you do that, you will have this game launcher in your application drawer. Next thing we need to do is we need to enable fast charging or double check that it is enabled. So you will go back into settings. Once you are in settings, then you need to go into the battery section. So here it is, battery and device care. Herein tap on battery and then scroll down, go into more battery saving and make sure that fast charging is enabled. Next thing we need to do is we need to make sure that the game booster is updated to the latest version. So go into game launcher, tap on this three bar menu on the bottom right which says more, here and go into game booster. Now for starters, you will see that I do not have that option of pause USB power delivery, but if you scroll down, go into about game booster, you will see that I have an update available. So if you have an update available for game booster, go ahead and update it. Now once the update process has finished successfully, we can go back and we can go back to the game launcher, go into more, go into game booster, and again we still do not have the option of pause USB power delivery. But if you go into about game booster, here it is. This is the latest version of Game Booster 5.0.03.0, which is the latest at the time of recording this video. Next thing you need to do is you need to connect your Samsung Galaxy device to a power delivery PPS charger. So connect it to your USB PPS charger. Now, once you have connected to your power delivery PPS charger, we can go into game launcher and launch any game which you have downloaded on your Samsung Galaxy device. Now, once you start the game, you can actually exit the game, go into game launcher, go into more, go into game booster, and bam, here it is. You can see that we have the option of pause USB power delivery, and let us try to enable it. Enabled like a boss, there it is. To prevent phone heating, pause charging with the USB power delivery enabled charger is connected and the battery is over 20%. So your second requirement is that the battery needs to be over 20%, and if I disconnect the charger, you will notice that the option is now grayed out, and let us see if it enables back once I connect my charger back to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 over here, and bam, there it is. You can see that the option is no longer grayed out. And there it is, peeps. That is how you enable the Samsung Galaxy S23 hidden feature of pausing USB power delivery or your battery bypass or battery charging bypass on supported Samsung Galaxy devices.